Hi guys, we are Recycle It, and our startup idea is helping people recycle. So last weekend, me and my partner Harvey went about asking the question, why is recycling hard? So we took a field trip, and what we started to look for is just trash receptacles to see if people were recycling correctly or not. So this particular image is at a coffee shop, and it doesn't have any signs, but it has two distinctive bins, one to recycle and one not to. So what's inside these beautiful bins? Recyclable items in the trash can and recyclable items in the recycle bin. So it's pretty clear that people don't know where items should be placed. So it begged us to ask the question, why is this the case? And in this particular instance, there were no labels, so maybe people just weren't reading, right? Or they didn't have time. They just didn't know, right? They obviously didn't know. So we went to another coffee shop, and one with labels, not the best, but it regardless has labels. What items to put in, what items not to put in. But when we actually looked at their trash receptacle and their recycling receptacle, items were still being sorted incorrectly. And we just couldn't figure out why that was the case. Maybe the signs were labeled and too small. Maybe people didn't even bother to read. We don't know. So we dig deeper, and we decided to ask a local barista what she thought the problem was. So this is a video. Perfect. So they just don't have time to figure out where everything should be. So we came up with a solution to that, and we think a pretty viable solution. But before we talk about that, let's go over some of the impacts of this. So we did some research, and we realized that 1 in 6 items that are placed in recycling receptacles are placed incorrectly. And what that means is, throughout the recycling pipeline, costs are being added. One of the biggest costs for recyclers is sorting things. So if we could minimize the amount of sorting that they're doing, or even better, automate that system, we could make recycling centers even more profitable. So what was the solution? How do we go about solving this and tackling it? We wanted to do it at the first point of recycling, which is consumer comes to a coffee shop, they have an item, maybe it's some compost, and they could place it in the correct utility. So we nail the point at the initial point of where trash is stored. So this is our overarching vision, right? You have some sort of computer monitor above a recycling bin and a trash can, and it has utility for someone to figure out where their particular item should be placed. Someone walks up, and our computer monitor with computer vision and cameras detects the item that person has and indicates which receptacle it should go to. When the item isn't being used, we could run ads on it. This is actually really convenient for coffee shops because they typically have local ad space via a poster board, and we could digitize this. So when it's not being used, it's a placement for local ads. And when it is being used, it just assists the user to prompt what particular waste item should go where. So let's go over a quick demo of how this works. What we did over the weekend was create a web application that leverages machine learning and computer vision. So what happens is we use our camera to detect what the particular item is, and it prompts the user whether it should be compost. In that case, it was compost. So let's use another example. Glass. Glass is typically recycling. That's at least how we trained it. So it goes into the recycling receptacle. And then lastly, trash. we've trained our models to determine what trash is, and it prompts user to throw that particular item into the trash can. So what does this look like for the future? How does this become profitable? What enhancements do we want to have to it? First, we'd like to build a native application so people everywhere can determine what type of item should go where. So if I'm at home and I'm about to throw things away, I can use this application on my phone to determine whether it's recyclable or not. And at the core of what we're building really is a machine learning algorithm to determine whether something is recyclable or not. And this core technology could be applied to hardware solutions, so creating smarter trash cans. So trash cans that have that robotic mechanism to actually sort by itself. And then lastly, our monetization strategy. I touched on it a little bit earlier, but we think this is a perfect case for local venues, mom and pop shops, especially coffee shops, where we could provide this system at a very low cost. We did some backhand calculations. It could cost as low as $35 to $50. And our monetization strategy is to display local ads. So that's Recycle It. And if you have any further questions, feel free to email me or Harvey. Thank you.